In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to HTML on online. It's totally free. So if you're a mobile user, same method. First, I'm going on Google. Then here I type PDF to HTML. So here's a lots of website you will find. So I click on the first one. Then select my file. I need to select PDF file as well. So I'm going on my PC memory. Okay, just clicking. Okay, example purpose, this is my PDF file, so I need to convert it to HTML. So you can see here is the convert to HTML. Otherwise you can convert it to another format, so I don't need. Just click on format HTML, convert to HTML. Okay, it's already finished, so I need to click on download. That's it, my work are done. So if I open this file, so you can see this is a HTML file already downloaded to my computer. So this is the method how you can convert PDF to HTML on online using free methods. So if you found this video helpful for me, share and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.